Namaste, Soul Tribe, spiritual healer, back to give you guys a message. This message is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. Hi, Scorpio. Hope you're all well and safe. I got some energy for you guys, Scorpio. Okay, as always, let's get right into your messages, Scorpio. Okay? Scorpios, what's going on with you guys? I see you losing sleep, Scorpio. I see you guys losing sleep over something. You guys are in your feelings. Very, very hurt right now. Emotional, Scorpio. Or this could be someone that you're dealing with that's going through this, Scorpio. I just had to say that because this reading could be for male or female, Scorpio. This reading could be the energy could be reversed. So this could be the cross watcher, or this could be you, Scorpio. Somebody's losing sleep, okay? Somebody's very regretful right now, okay? And here you go, Scorpio, the Death card. That's telling me that you guys are walking away from a situation, Scorpio. You guys are putting an ending to certain toxicity in your lives. You guys are seeing through the veil. You guys are awakening, Scorpios. Beautiful. You guys are awakening, Scorpio. And I know when you awaken, it's a lot of information when you see the truth. It's a lot of information when you see both sides of the story. Okay? So get out of your feelings, Scorpio, because that's not going to help you guys make a decision, okay? Okay? Because there's, you guys might be experiencing a betrayal, or someone that's trying to leave you out in the cold, or making you feel by yourself and restricted. Scorpio, someone has you in your feelings right now. You're feeling betrayed or left out in the cold. Yeah. Yeah. I also see that you guys have, like I said, you're dealing with a betrayal. You're the wounded warrior right now. Or this is someone you're dealing with. This could be someone you're dealing with right now because you walked away, Scorpio. You walked away. You pulled back your energy because this person or these people were trying to put all these swords in your back. Yeah, they were betraying you. And your spirit guides and your angels called judgment on the situation, Scorpio. Yeah, they ended that situation for you, my loves, because spirit guides and angels, they always knew you have a purpose, Scorpio. So if you have a spiritual calling or a purpose, your angels are intervening in the situation. They're bringing that tower down, and they're setting you free, Scorpio, so you can be on your right path. So there's no need to worry. This is all happening for a reason. This is happening to put you on your right path, okay? Scorpio, I see you're dealing with an Empress energy. You could be dealing with a Libra, okay? You don't have to be, but you're dealing with an Empress energy. This person could have hurt your feelings. Scorpio, this could be someone that hurt your feelings, or this could be someone that you think highly of, or this could be your person, Scorpio. She could be an Empress. You could be dealing with an Empress, a beautiful queen. And yeah, Scorpio, it's looking like you could be watching this Empress. You could be keeping an eye on this queen, or vice versa, Scorpio. Someone could be watching you, keeping their eye on you because you're an Empress and a queen. But someone in the situation is watching the Empress or a queen, wanting to come forward, wanting to speak, wanting to communicate, okay? Yes. But Scorpio, you see this person as your lover or your soulmate, okay? This could be Gemini, Aries energy, or Aquarius energy that you're dealing with. But you could see this person as your lover, Scorpio, someone that you want to move towards, someone that you see as your soulmate or your divine partner. And you could have rejected this person's offer in the past, or this person could have rejected your offer, switched the energies. But someone's offer was rejected in the past, dealing with an Empress and a lover, soulmate, okay? So it looks like to me that you're going to be taking charge, Scorpio, in your life. And you're going to be communicating with this Empress, with this fire sign, with this air sign, Gemini, or Aquarius, okay? You could be communicating with someone. It could be an Aries, okay? It could be an Aquarius or a Gemini or a Libra. But you're moving towards this Empress, you're moving towards this person to communicate. You're coming forward, very passionate, okay? Because this person has healed themselves. This person has healed their heart with the Three of Swords in reverse. You could experience it heartbreak, Scorpio, but you're already healing yourself. You're healing your heart so you can move forward in the situation. Yeah, I see you moving towards this person or moving towards calmer waters after the tower hits and you find out all this truth about the deceit that was going on. Scorpio, you're going to be coming out victorious once you move away from a situation, because that's when God and the angels are going to release all your blessings. Yes, because you guys are going to be in Nine of Cups energy. So you guys are being very hopeful, manifesting, being nostalgic about someone. And also, you guys are putting in all your energy into yourselves right now, trying to heal, love yourselves, so all your blessings are coming right around the corner, Scorpio. Yup. And you're gonna get some good news with a good news event. You're gonna hear some good news. Okay, that something's going in your favor. This is a sudden unexpected news that you're gonna get that's gonna make you very happy, Scorpio. Let's get some more cards and energy to see what further messages Spirit Guides have for you guys. Spirit Guides and angels, give me the energy and the messages for the beautiful Scorpios watching this video and this reading. Confirm the messages that just came out for the Scorpios. Thank you, Spirit. Scorpios energy, Spirit, please and thank you. Thank you. Any more messages, Spirit? Scorpios, yes, you guys are about to receive a lot of communication, a lot of messages. Someone's going to be communicating, or this is you, but you're going to get a sudden, unexpected good news that you're going to get communication from someone, and it's going to make you very happy. Scorpio, let's get some more energy to see what this good news is about. Spirit, what is this messages coming towards the Scorpio? What is this good news about, Spirit? Let me know, please and thank you. Show me clearly for the Scorpios. What is this good news coming to the Scorpios? Yeah. Wow, look, Scorpios, you guys are getting a beautiful offer. So a lot of messages, Scorpio, about a beautiful offer. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome, Scorpio. Beautiful energy. You could be receiving a beautiful offer of love, of abundance, of a commitment, of a relationship, of a family structure. It could be money that's coming towards you as well. You guys are going to be so happy, Scorpios. Wow. Wow, I said you guys could be dealing with an Aries or Scorpio. You might have Aries in your chart, but you look so beautiful. The person that is coming towards you, Scorpio, could be a beautiful Queen of Wands. It could be an Aries, or this could be you, Scorpio. You could have Aries in your chart, but they're very beautiful, wise, and spiritual and abundant. Oh my God, you're glowing, my love. You're glowing. You're attracting everything you want. This is your harvest, Scorpios. Yeah, this is. Yes, beautiful. And you're going to receive communication from a Knight of Pentacles. A messenger regarding some money that's yours, Scorpio. Some money that's coming into your fruition. You've been manifesting this. Or maybe this person wants to partner up with you, Scorpio. And you guys are going to be abundant. Yes, beautiful energy. Thank you, Spirit. Yes, you're going to be receiving some communication, Scorpio. And this person's going to be telling you how they feel about you. And they're going to be giving you the truth and honesty. Or this is you communicating with the Queen of Wands, giving this person some truth and honesty. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, male or female. This could be the person you're dealing with, Scorpio. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. Yeah, you see this person as the High Priestess. You see this person as very spiritual or wise. Or Scorpio, you are the High Priestess, very spiritual and wise. Scorpio, you could be you could have these initials in your name, or you could be dealing with someone that has a J or a B in their initials. This is your soulmate. This is the person you're meant to be with, Scorpio. Wow. Yeah. King of Swords. The person you're dealing with, Scorpio, is very guarded, or they're in a King of Swords energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The person you're dealing with is very guarded, or the person that you're dealing with is very controlling. Scorpio, you could be dealing with someone in your life right now that's very controlling, that likes to dominate your energy. Okay, Scorpio, this person doesn't like it when you speak up for yourself. Scorpio, guess what? You guys are too wise. You guys awakened. You guys are the High Priestess right now. You guys are the High Priestess. Yeah, and you know what? Now you're turning into the King of... You're dealing with a King of Swords or Queen of Swords energy. Male or female, you're dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius person that's very dominant, very controlling in your life, that you guys are wanting to move away from because you guys know the truth about this person. This person could be low vibrational. This person could be toxic. This person could be blocking your blessings, Scorpio. They could be blocking you from your happiness. And you guys are breaking free from this air sign or this Queen or King of Swords energy. Okay, very narcissistic person, very controlling. Okay, Scorpios. Judgment. Yes, You guys, the angels are calling judgment in the situation. They're setting you free from a situation. Scorpio, they're going to give you guys a blessing of abundance, a windfall of money or an opportunity so you guys can move away from this energy. Yes, you're going to be moving towards an empress. You're going to be moving towards someone that's spiritual, that's wise, that's abundant. Okay, Scorpio, or someone might be pregnant in your situation. This is also represents fertility. Okay, beautiful energy. And you're needing to make a decision whether you want to move forward or not, Scorpios. Yeah, you need to make a clear decision, guys. You're going to move forward towards your lover. Gemini energy, Aries energy, Aquarius energy. You're moving towards your lover, Scorpio. You're going to be making this decision, okay? And yes, you've been meditating. You've been reflecting. You've been healing. So that way you can come towards your lover because you miss them very much or they miss you very much. Yes, because you found out a lot of secrets and truth about the situation you were in that was toxic. And yes, you're going to be rejecting this person's cup of love because it's fake. This person keeps trying to manipulate you, Scorpio, or use you for money, whatever they're doing. It was making you lose sleep. It was making you stressed out. It was making you not happy. And you're going towards a happy home and a loving connection with your beautiful Queen of Wands. Love this beautiful energy. Yes, thank you, Spirit, for these messages for the beautiful Scorpios. Now I'm going to pull some a couple cards from this deck before I end your reading. Spirit guides and angels, what do you want to say to the Scorpios regarding this energy? Please and thank you. What do you want to say to the Scorpios regarding this energy, Spirit? If you guys are having trouble sleeping or eating because you guys are in your feelings, because you guys are being betrayed or you guys found out the truth, please go do your meditations. Heal your inner child wounds meditation, Scorpio. Okay, and there's meditations to help you sleep. Please search them up on YouTube, guys. Or somebody that you're dealing with can't sleep or can't eat. Because you guys are gaining the truth and clarity about your situation. You're seeing the red flags. You're understanding that you don't belong there. You guys are dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Can't make it up. Or you guys have Aries, Leo, Sag in your chart. You guys, somebody wants to marry you, Scorpio. Or you want to marry someone that says, I want to marry you. Somebody wants you to have my baby. Wow. Somebody wants to have a baby with you. Or this is vice versa. You guys, be wearing your evil eye protection bracelets. These bracelets, this bracelet right here. Get yourself an evil eye protection bracelet, Scorpio, to protect you from any ill will from people. Someone has been using black magic towards you, Scorpio, to keep you stuck in a situation, okay? Someone, they're obsessed with you, or you could be obsessed with someone, or someone that you're dealing with, Scorpio, that's very toxic. They're obsessed. Yes, you're going to have a successful reunion with your soulmate, Scorpio. And you guys could be from Indigo Starseed. You guys could be an Indigo Starseed. Search that up if you guys want to know what an Indigo is. These people are going to see you winning, Scorpio, because when you detach your energy and you move away, you're going to have a grand opportunity, a grand blessing from the universe, and they're going to see you winning. Like I said, a grand blessing, big windfall. You're going to receive a big windfall. And you're going to get an opportunity to work with someone, Scorpio, or to be with someone. Spirit said, say yes, okay? That is your messages, Scorpio. I love you guys so much. Till the next time I read for you guys, I love you. Namaste.